Well, it does only seem like yesterday, the day when the opening day of the Spanish football season. Spain, a country where football is sometimes more than a game, it can be life itself. It's huge, it is utterly unmissable.
Well, the recurring question, Peter, I suppose, is whether the usual two-horse race can be changed.
And here's Lewandowski. Played out towards the right wing. Rafinha. Well, that's clear-cut, it's a free kick. João Felix takes on his marker. Cross deflected behind.
Caution is dominating proceedings. This isn't meeting expectations.
He's left his man. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. He's having a go! Precious little by way of goal-mouth action yet. And the header! Decent enough try. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary.
There will be
that is lovely,
time.
And he's on his way, and the finish! Goal!
Number 16.
Well, they definitely won't be happy with that half. They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change or two.
And we are already promptly back underway.
Barcelona don't need to press the panic button.
Real chance! Well, he should have done better, and he knows.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then. Real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Oh, what a ball he's in! Rafinha! It's come back out! He's got a goal! And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Look, that's one of the first things you learn, whether you're a...
Number 21, Frankie de Jong!
That has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, that goal just serves to give them the momentum and psychological edge now at this stage, but for me, they've got to chase a winner. Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Has been indicated.
They're avoiding the blatantly obvious by not getting the ball into the opposition box. That's where it has to be.
Munir. It is all over. It's a so-so